Many of our customers use the logic tray system to digitize cardboard patterns and save them as DXF files for cutting. A customer I recently told me that he's having troubles tracing along the edge of the cardboard. We have an easy fix for that, and that is to digitize the pattern as lines, curves, and arcs. I'm going to do a quick demonstration using this furniture pattern. I've told the software that I've got the curve fit, and then I just digitize that pattern, that curve, as a series of points, and then it's going to give me a nice smooth curve through all those points and give me the DXF file, exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm going to get a nice smooth curve here. I'm digitizing those points along the curve. Here I've got an arc at the very end. I'm going to switch to an arc and then do the midpoint and the endpoint of that arc. Now I have a great design, nice and smooth, and I can save that as a DXF file.